Okay, read the book. Good job. George climbs up and jumps down.
And goes rightward, backward.
Good too, and backward too. You skipped a page. Gotta go back a page. Mm-hmm.
Now she's wet.
Now he's wet.
I don't touch.
Oh, she's okay. She won't touch your book. Turn the page. Keep reading to her. She's loving it. What's in the pen, George? Hey, princess. Can we help you? You did it. George lets them out. Next page. Audrey's helping you. The box is closed. The box is open. Good job. Are you talking, Audrey? Yeah. Are you talking? Okay, one more page, Erin. Can you turn the page?
I can't.
Do you need my help? I bet you could do it. Very nice. George is asleep. What does this one say? What's that side? George is awake. That was close. Not phone. Awake. Now George is asleep.